Girgelis joined us now after his win in Istanbul, first round of Istanbul Qualis. You played against number 1 seed Kamke. He was really playing well, but you took control in the second set and won the really tight match. What do you think about your win?
I am very happy because I beat very good player. I was up first set for 2. Unfortunately, I did a few big mistakes on important points. In the second set was good comeback because he went to serve for the match, and I focused to push the ball that I was playing, not him, not let him play. And yeah, end of the second set was very good. 3 games for me. I won the second set, and the third set I tried to do the same what I did in the end of the second.
Last question, you will play against Belotti in the final round. Are you hopeful for the main draw?
It's another match, another day. Of course, I will try to beat him. I know him well because we played together club matches already 5-6 years. But of course, I need to be fit tomorrow and to do my best to qualify.
Thank you very much.